Have you ever wanted to do something exceptionally well, but felt like you weren't talented enough? Maybe you wanted to write a book, launch a business, become a great speaker, or master a skill that felt out of reach. Here's the truth no one talks about. You don't need to be a pro to perform like one. You just need to master the art of doing anything exceptionally well. In this video, you'll discover a mindset and method that can transform your ability in anything, even if you're a beginner. Part 1: The Illusion of Talent. Let's start by killing a myth. Talent is overrated. Yes, it helps. But it's not the deciding factor. In fact, relying on talent often becomes a crutch. Talented people sometimes don't try as hard. Meanwhile, the average person outworks them and ends up outperforming them. What separates people who are exceptional at what they do? It's not DNA. It's deliberate learning, obsessive consistency, and a powerful mindset. Let me introduce you to the first key idea. Part 2, Key Number 1, The Beginner's Superpower. The beginner mindset is a secret weapon. When you know you're not a pro, your mind is wide open. You're humble, curious, and teachable. Professionals can become rigid. Beginners? They adapt, test, fail, and grow fast. The secret is to stay a beginner at heart, even when your skills grow. That mindset allows you to experiment, learn faster, and evolve beyond what you thought was possible. Part 3, Key Number 2, Reverse Engineering Excellence. Every exceptional result has a pattern. And if you can observe, study, and reverse engineer it, you can replicate it. Want to write like a best-selling author? Break down their structure. Want to speak like a TEDx pro? Study their timing, delivery, and tone. Look at the finished product, then work backward. Ask, what steps did they take? What habits did they build? What frameworks do they use? Success leaves clues. Follow them. Part 4, Key Number 3, The 20-Hour Rule. You don't need 10,000 hours to become exceptional at something. That's a myth. You only need about 20 hours of focused, intentional practice to become good enough to be impressive. Block out 45 minutes a day for a month. No multitasking. No distractions. Just you and the skill. By the end of that month, you'll have outpaced 90% of people who wish they had your level of skill. The secret is not more time, it's more focused time. Part 5, Key Number 4, Micromastery. You don't have to master everything to stand out. You just need to master one small part exceptionally well. This is called micromastery. If you're learning to cook, you don't have to be a world-class chef. Just master 3 signature dishes. If you're learning photography, master lighting for portraits. Micromastery gives you confidence, momentum, and credibility. You become known for something specific, and from there, your broader skills naturally grow. Part 6, Key Number 5, Identity First, Skill Second. Here's the most overlooked key. Change your identity. Don't just try to write. Tell yourself, I am a writer. Don't just try to start a business. Say, I am an entrepreneur. When your identity shifts, your actions follow. You stop waiting to feel ready. You start acting like the person you want to become. Skills follow belief. Behavior follows identity. Conclusion. So, what does it take to do anything exceptionally well, even if you're not a pro? Not natural talent. Not years of experience. Just the courage to start, the patience to persist, and the willingness to learn from every mistake. Remember. Stay a beginner. Study what works. Practice with focus. Master small parts. And above all, act like the person you're becoming. Because exceptional isn't a label you're given. It's a habit you build. If this inspired you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, you're not lacking talent. You're just one decision away from doing something exceptional.